A small rental company in Europe needed money to expand their fleet of Mercedes vans. They tried to take out a loan at the bank, but they told them it would take months. So instead, I lent them some crypto and they now pay me the monthly interest. The vans they bought are put up as collateral, and the loan only lasts 6 months, after which I am paid back completely. All of this at an interest of 25% a year. This is not a hypothetical. It is an actual loan from a real company, and I did actually pay a part of their loan. In this video I'll show you exactly how you can do the same, without the need for any prior experience. Let's get right into it. Okay. In this video we'll be talking about a specific form of crypto lending, but it is very different from what you've probably seen before. See, I've got a bit of a frustration with regular crypto lending. When you earn yield on a typical DeFi platform, have you ever asked yourself, where is this yield even coming from? 9 out of 10 times it comes from a crypto trader who borrows your money to make leverage bets on crypto prices. That's it. That's 99% of the crypto lending economy. Crypto borrowed against crypto to buy more crypto. Nothing real is happening here. Nobody built anything, sold anything, or even really earned anything. Which means that your yields only exist as long as this speculation keeps going. But when the market drops and volume stagnates, your once so very high yields turn to dust. We have seen this exact scenario happen multiple times on different platforms. So, on the one hand we have investors who we know are willing to lend out their crypto, while on the other side we have real companies who are struggling to get a loan. But now there is a platform to combine these two worlds. 8land. In short, 8land is crowdlending completely on-chain. You browse actual businesses looking for loans. Each one shows the amount, the term, the interest, the risk rating, and of course the collateral. When you found an interesting loan, you can choose to invest USDC, a regulated USD-backed cryptocurrency. This way you're not exposed to the regular crypto market swing. And investments start at just 100 USDC. You receive your interest monthly, and of course you get paid back your entire principal at the end of the term. Now, as I've said, the rates go up to 25% a year. And I know what you're thinking. This number is so high, it is a red flag. And actually, I thought the same. So I started digging into the company. First, it is important to note that this isn't a group of anonymous devs. 8land was built by the team behind Maclear, a regulated Swiss crowdlending platform that has been doing this since 2020. They've got all the AML and KYC compliance that you'd expect from Swiss finance. Every borrower has to go through an extensive due diligence process before they are allowed on the platform. Second, the smart contracts were audited by Certic and Cyberscope, and everything runs on Base, the Coinbase network. Every investment, every payment, and every repayment is visible on-chain. You can click into literally every loan and verify the money moving. Third, the numbers so far. 22 million euros have been funded by over 7,500 investors, with millions of euros already repaid. And to date, they have had 0 defaults. Okay. Deep breaths, because I refuse to be the guy who only shows you the shiny side. Now, 0 defaults is genuinely impressive, but the platform only launched in 2025. It's only been up for a year, and it hasn't lived through any economic storm yet. Their track record is encouraging, but it's also very young. Second, we are still lending our money out to small businesses. And small businesses can struggle, which could cause some problems with the loan. The collateral is our safety net. If a borrower defaults, assets get sold to recover some funds. And some projects even carry a buyback badge, meaning that if a payment is 60 days late, a partner company buys back the loan and you instantly get your investment back, including the interest to date. The buyback badge is a strong protection, but recovering money through asset sales can take a long time. And of course, no protection is absolute. But the company behind 8land, Maclear, does have an extensive track record, and they have dealt with defaults before. Opinions on how they do this are divided, but in my personal opinion they are handling it very well. Now, it does often take some time. Don't expect to get your money back within a week. It could easily take up to 6 months or even a year. Maclear, however, has paid back every single default to their investors so far. To me, that is at least some sort of proof that their child company 8land will do their absolute best to do the same. So, my honest take, this is not a put in all your money investment. Instead, for me it is a matter of starting small, watching a cycle or two, and if it earns my trust, investing a little more. That is actually what I do with any anything this new. The fact that ordinary investors can fund real companies who were ignored by traditional finance is exactly how I see crypto working out. It just ties in perfectly with how this technology was meant to be used. Now, if you want to check out this platform for yourself, you can check out the first link in the description. You can browse the live projects, check the collateral, and even read some of the history. It's all free to look. If you do decide to invest, the minimum is $100, and there's no investor fees. Now, the link below is my referral link. By using this link, you massively help out the channel while also earning a $30 sign-up bonus for yourself, as well as a 6% cashback on any investments you make within 45 days of signing up. Remember to do your own research, never invest money that you cannot afford to lock up, and if you try it out, let me know in the comments how it went. I try to respond to every comment. For now, that's all I have to say. See you in the next video.